In this video, we're unlocking the secrets to that iconic angel energy. I'm going to tell you about the physical aspects and the mentality of an angel, so by the end of this video, you're gonna know how to feel like a Victoria's Secret angel. Let's start with the classic bombshell blowout look. You could use hair rollers, but if that takes too long, you can use a thermal brush for that classic blowout. Another way is to do heatless curls with a curling rod. This will save you time from doing your hair, and you will wake up looking like a model. If you have curly hair, overnight Dutch braids will give you a nice crimped and wavy look. Or you can also use flexi rods, and they will give you shiny tight curls. For volume, dry shampoo or volume powder will do the trick. Now, before we get into makeup, skincare comes first. Victoria's Secret angels always prioritize their skin when it comes to looking flawless. Their skincare usually consists of cleansing their face and then using a serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. They also leave on eye patches for 10 minutes to hydrate and brighten their eyes. Then at night they use a face mask and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Drinking lots of water also contributes to their glowing skin.
I'm drinking 1 gallon of water a day. 1 gallon a day. You have to do it for 7 days.
Moving on to their makeup. They begin by contouring their face with a bronze foundation that is 2 shades darker than their skin tone. Then they use a skin tint or a lightweight foundation, and they use a brush to lightly apply it on their forehead, nose, and cheeks to brighten up the middle of the face. They add a little bit of concealer under their eyes and on red or dark spots. After that, they set their face to avoid creasing. Then they use red blush to give their cheeks a pop of color. They apply some on their cheekbones and eyelids. For eyeshadow, they use a dark brown shade starting on the outer corner of the eyelid, and then they blend it in. They apply a shimmery eyeshadow in the middle of their eyelid. Then they use highlight on the inner corner of their eyes and on their cheeks. Next, they curl their lashes and use mascara. Lastly, they apply a light pink lipstick or lip gloss on their lips. You're probably also curious as to how they take care of their bodies. For that glowing skin, they use a body oil and a shimmering body spray. For their diet, they just make sure to eat healthy, unprocessed food and control their food portions. Maintaining their health and figure is important, so they make sure to work out every day, even if it's only for 10 minutes.
You have to work out every day. I'm sorry. Muscles, you have to maintain the muscles, and every day it's very important.
Okay.
If you don't have time, to work out, and you think, oh, I always need 45 minutes.
Yeah.
No, that's not true. 10 minutes a day, it really helps you. Whatever time you have, just go and do whatever you want.
There's nowhere to hide on that runway. You really have to think about that. When you're in the gym in pain, you're like, come on!
If you're looking for workouts to do, just go to the sport playlist in the Victoria's Secret channel, which has their Train Like an Angel series that showcases a variety of different workouts that the angels would do. They also focus a lot on maintaining a good posture. Not only is it good for your back, but it will also make you look beautiful. Let's talk about style. Victoria's Secret angels always look elegant and feminine. One way they achieve this is by having their own color palette when it comes to personal style. Some prefer a pastel color palette, which gives them a more light angel-like look, while others prefer a darker color palette, which gives them a more bold and sexy look. Your style also includes your pajamas. Wearing beautiful pajamas will instantly increase your confidence. Victoria's Secret has a beautiful line of pajamas for you to choose from. Buying at least 1 or 2 pajama sets from them will have you feeling like an angel. Let's not forget about scent. Have you given their perfumes a try? Some of them smell better than the ones in popular scent stores. If you want to test them out, then you can buy a mini perfume set. Victoria's Secret perfume will have you getting lots of compliments that you smell good. Lastly, let's talk about the angel mentality. You can't feel like an angel if you don't have that confidence within you. The angels show amazing confidence by giving their all even when they get nervous before walking on stage or shooting commercials. To be confident means to have trust in yourself, your abilities, and your worth. Confidence is never about thinking you're perfect. It's about knowing you're valuable and accepting that your flaws are a part of you. I hope this video inspired you to feel like an angel. Don't forget to subscribe.